Guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today I want to show you how to resolve math reasoning problems, and this is the 5th video, so let's get started. And the problem says, on a tournament, points are assigned depend on 3 points for each won game, 2 points for each tied game, 1 point for each lost game, and at the end of the tournament none of the teams won all the games, but one team was unbeaten with 21 points on 10 games. How many games did the team won? So I encourage you guys to pause the video and try to figure it out. Okay, so as a team was unbeaten, we can see that this is a team. They either won or tied a game. So we have that this is 10 games, and we can have that they either won 7 games and tied 3 games. So we can have that X is the 1 games, and we can have the tied games in terms of X. So if this distance is 10 and this distance is 7, or X, we have that this distance is 10 minus X. Another example is like you have 10 games and X games and 4 games. So this is X, and this distance is 10 minus X, as we can see here. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay, so we have that there are 3 points for each won game, and also we have that as they tied games, we need to add the points for each tied game, and each tied game is 10 minus X. 2 points times 10 minus X, and this equals to 21. So 3x plus 2 times 10, 20, and 2 times minus x equals minus 2x. This is 21, and 3x minus 2x equals to x. And if this term is adding, we need to pass it on the other side, subtracting. So we have that 21 minus 20 equals 1. So as we can see here, we put x in terms of each one game. We have that they won 1 game. So we can compare this. 1 times 3 plus 2, 10 minus 1 equals 9. And we have that 3 times 1 equals 3. And finally, 2 times 9 equals 18. And in fact, we have that 3 plus 18 equals 21. So the answer is this. They won 1 game. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can receive the new notifications. So I hope you guys to see you in my next videos. Bye!